Hi, Chris here. Sorry for any weird background noise. I'm recording a bit in the field today. In this short video, we are looking at the IKEA Badring water leak sensor, the final piece in my series of smart devices that are helpful when you are away on holidays. So, what is Badring? It's a compact smart leak detector that alerts you when even a small amount of water is on the floor. Those two metal contacts underneath are super low, so the tiniest leak will trigger the alarm. You can place it behind your washing machine, under the sink, or wherever there's a risk of leaks. I have one in my home in the room where there is a water meter. And yes, here's a nice surprise. It has a built-in speaker, so even without a hub or Wi-Fi or any external devices, etc., it will still scream if it senses water. It's also water resistant itself, so it will survive even in puddles or major water leaks. Inside it runs on AAA battery, and there's a button for pairing with IKEA's Dirigera hub. If you do pair it, it uses Zigbee protocol, which means you can hook it into your smart home system, no matter technically what environment you are using. I have mine connected to Apple Home and it works brilliant. That way you can get push notifications on your phone or smartwatch, even if you are far away on a vacation. And then you can ring your maybe neighbors or security company and someone can check this. Build quality, solid, like other IKEA smart devices. Simple, durable, and effective. Would you like me to test it in a real live demo with some water on the floor? Drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next week. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment or subscribe for more independent reviews and DIY videos. See you. Thank you for today.